Namaskaram, Swagatam. In the pandemic times, you all are advised to stay home. Today, we are going to discuss the concept of central tendency in business statistics. Now, the question arises, what is average? Average is a single figure which represents the whole data. There are 5 types of averages. First, arithmetic mean. Second, median. Third, mode. Fourth, harmonic mean. And fifth, geometric. So let us discuss one by one. First, arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is equal to total of observations divided by number of observations. It can be represented by x bar or mu. Mu is arithmetic mean of population. X bar represents arithmetic mean of sample. So x bar equal to sigma x upon n. Sigma means total. Sigma is a Greek letter which means total. So sigma x upon n. We can also write sigma x upon sigma f. So average arithmetic mean represents the performance. Suppose if average of any batsman increases, then performance increases. Average run scored, higher run scored is regarded as better performer batsman. Now let us come to the second part, median. Median is the middle value. Is that value which divide the data into two equal parts. One part is more than median value, another part is less than the median value. While calculating median, first of all we have to arrange the data in either ascending or descending order. After doing the first step, arranging the ascending or descending order, second, we apply the formula to find the position of median. And the formula in case of individual series is n plus 1 divided by 2. Suppose that the number is already arranged in sequence form, ascending order, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 5 observations. So n is 5. 5 plus 1 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So third position of median. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 30 is third position, either from left to right in ascending order or from right to left in descending order. So third position is median, and that is 30, and 40 and 50 more than the median value, whereas 20 and 10 less than the median value. Now come to the third part, mode. Mode is most frequently occurred item in a series. Suppose that if we take the case of shoe manufacturing company or any manufacturing company of garment. First of all, the company will decide which size to be manufactured. For that, the company will do survey. And after doing survey, they find that mostly people wear 7 number शू साइज। अधिकतर लोग 7 नंबर के जूते पहनते हैं। कुछ लोग ऐसे भी थे जो 5 नंबर के, 4 नंबर के, 8 नंबर के, 10 नंबर के जूते पहनते थे, लेकिन 7 नंबर वाले अधिक थे। तो जो आइटम सबसे ज़्यादा बार रिपीट होगा वो मोड होगा। In the next video lecture, we will discuss about harmonic mean and geometric mean. Thank you all of you.